New HDi FG XR6 Large Flow Throttle Body Inlet Pipe. Many of the FG XR6 Turbo owners have an experience of having the standard plastic throttle body inlet pipe split under boost. The conventional plastic is not the right material for the job. As the engine boost increases, the plastic throttle pipe will quickly fatigue and crack. At the beginning of the year, we analyzed both standard and cast aftermarket XR6 FG throttle inlet pipes available on the market. At the simulation, we realized both designs didn't have much improvement in flow rate besides the strength of the cast aluminum design. However, some of the cast aluminum design has a similar or even smaller internal diameter as the significant wall thickness is needed for proper casting. It also introduces heavier weight and acts as an engine heat-absorbing material. Moreover, the uneven steps on both sides of the cast XR6 throttle body inlet pipes reduce the effective cross-section area. This is why we are proud to release the new largest flow HDi XR6 throttle body inlet hose, as it has the most flow cross-section area. It is the lightest, yet the smartest, innovative design on the market. New HDi FG XR6 Large Flow Throttle Body Inlet Pipe design with the key benefits. Largest flow internal cross-section area, 25% larger than cast aluminum pipes. Lightweight, 1/3 of the cast aluminum pipe weight. Heat isolation, less heat absorption to cast aluminum pipe. Easy to fit, direct fit fewer components. One-piece design reduces internal turbulence, minimize connection hoses and beads. More flexible, less stress on connecting pipes. HDi design, test, and manufacture. For more information, please email us at salesteam@hybrid-power.com.